It's like all I've been doing for 45 minutes is giving straight hardcore bridge marketing examples that I wish I knew. And had I had somebody been willing to teach me these examples, I would have made, I think, tens of millions of dollars more. I had to learn it the hard way because I had to do everything wrong. You got to understand if you're not getting the point of bridge marketing, if you miss this Zoom session, like it's so much lost opportunity. Like, look, I do have friends that have big email lists that are succeeding with bridge marketing. I do. But I make more money with like 1,000-person list than they make with 100,000-person list. I have a friend with a $300,000 person list, and I have a 1,000-person list that I could dominate anything over him with on a 1,000-person list. Do you understand? Let's see, hold on. Somebody said something about Shopify. Did you like Michelle, did you like the example I gave on how to bridge over Shopify? It was like exactly how I sold everything. Straight up. If you don't have to do it with email, but yeah, what I did with the Shopify example right in the beginning, that's literally, if you guys only had 5 minutes to watch this Zoom, that would be probably the biggest takeaway was when I first was teaching bridge marketing, the difference between the Shopify and the network marketing was 100%. Gerald says, how does this work with a 0-person list? There is no such thing as a 0-person list. That does not exist. You could argue that you have people on your list that don't know you, like you, and trust you yet. You could argue that, but there is no such thing as a 0-person list.